Another Saturday, guys. Another Saturday morning. It's 5 a.m. in the morning, and what is the best gift that you can give to yourself on a Saturday morning to prepare yourself for the upcoming working week? It's nothing but a short ride, a short trip to one of the beautiful destinations in and around your city. It could be a lovely lake, it could be a lovely hilltop, it could be a lovely reservoir, and that's what we are going to do today. And you take a good look at your wonder on two wheels, your motorcycle, and you have prepped them up the night before, and that's what you head for you on your Saturday. And let's see what's our destination today as we reach there. You wait for the beautiful humming sound that greets you in the morning, and this would be the sweetest sound any motorcyclist could listen early in the morning. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think that's what we feel when we crank up our motorcycle on a weekend or on any day. It could be a weekday too. And there is nothing like an early morning motorcycle ride. The streets are empty, the weather is cool, and the sun is not yet up, and there's a gentle breeze that's flowing over your ears, over your eyes, and you're all geared up, ready to hit the road. And the very sight of the empty road in front of you, and the feel of the accelerator on your wrist gives you a kind of orgasm that only motorcyclists could relate to and no one else. Am I not right? Okay, so we head to our nearby destination. That's the Silk Road Junction, where our friends will meet and greet before we head to the next breakfast point destination, followed by our ultimate destination today. So our destination today is a place called Maralwadi Dam. It's about 50 kilometers away from the city of Bengaluru, and it's situated in the Ramnagara district, actually, where the shooting of the famous movie Sholay was done. And there are lovely hilltops over there, rock formations, cave formations. So that's where we are riding today, and it's more of a meet and greet breakfast ride kind of thing. So we are about to reach the first meeting point in about 15 odd minutes, and we are passing some of the SEZ areas of Bengaluru, and you can see the sun is about to rise. The sky is already getting clear, and still the cool breeze is there, and the streets are not too crowded, and it's still a pleasant ride. So the sooner we make to the outskirts of the city, the better it is.
So the punctual ones have arrived on time at the first meeting point. We always ensure we are all geared up because we have a safety first policy.
To meeting point number 2, which is about 40 minutes from here. There you go. People are leaving for the next destination, and the rumble of the bikes, early morning, and all set to visit the beautiful Maralwadi Dam. This is the beautiful electronic city flyover, and it's always a pleasure to travel early morning on this flyover. It's such a long one. We have the Bengaluru skyline that you can see on both sides, and a rapidly developing metropolis that's bursting at its seams. That's what you get to see when you travel on this flyover. So we have reached the Electronic City Toll Plaza after the flyover, and this is one of the few toll points where even bikers need to pay toll fees. About to reach our destination in about 1 minute, and let's see what kind of gathering we have there, how many people have reached. We are feeling a bit hungry already. It's nice. It appears as if we are getting out of the city now, and that's a GS looks like. Yes, a lot of other people have also arrived. So that's our second meeting point here. Morning. It's the gathering of most of the people. So that's a V-Storm, that's a GS 850, Himalaya, and a lot of different bikers. Yeah. Small tea break. These are important breaks that kind of rejuvenates you for the journey onwards, and the first cup of tea in the morning is always a welcome drink. So after our tea break, we are setting off for the destination. I think we'll have the breakfast later on. It's only about 40 minutes from here, the Maralwadi Dam. So that's where we are headed. You can see the landscape around us. Beautiful hills, rock formations, lovely road, wide open sky. You can see the horizon actually, and the mountains in the horizon. So as we say, it's never only about the destination. It's always about the ride itself that makes our journeys so beautiful, so memorable, each one of them. The twists and turns of these mountain roads are so inviting, isn't it? They resemble the twists and turns of life almost. You can say it. We are just 40 kilometers away from home, not even 40, maybe 30, 35. So you don't need to travel far and wide to experience nature at its finest. Look out and you will find areas and destinations close to you where you live. I mean, it instantly elevates your mood when you pass through landscape like this. You can see the sun shining on the hills, the beautiful wide open road in front of you. The amount of green that is there on the sides of the road itself kind of soothes your eyes, soothes your soul. So I can see on the map our destination. I think we are pretty close. You can see a banyan tree with the roots touching the ground almost, and the greens, the trees hugging each other, making a green tunnel through which we are passing. It is so much about the journey and so less about the destination. Every single travel of ours. So we are just about a minute away and waiting for the reveal of the destination of the Maralwadi Dam. We are almost there. We have to take I can see the water body here. So there's some kind of an off-road, not a problem. You are on the scrambler after all. Shouldn't be worried. So you can see that's a lovely view of the dam. Yes, the water is full almost to the brim. The rainy season is just behind us, and a bunch of avid bikers traveling to have a beautiful view of the dam. And what else? I think we can only travel this far, isn't it? Not more than that. So let me let you catch a glimpse of the dam. It's beautiful, lovely. So you have lovely shimmering water, sun shining on the water, and you have the mountains in the backdrop. Lovely greenery on both sides. What a destination! Amazing. And here are our biker buddies waiting to click pictures, make memories. I think that's what we take this early morning rides for. The entire group over here, at least 10-12 people, and that's a lovely landscape that we have arrived at. I don't know how we'll take a turn over here. That's going to be an ordeal. And these are the different bikes that we are crossing, and it's being led by our BMW and V-Storm.
So I'll never be able to explain the feeling unless you are over here by yourself. So that's the reason I travel to these destinations every week and bring forward these videos to you, so that you can make the effort to step out of your house and visit these lovely destinations, because they are so near yet so far. They are just about 30-40 kilometers or 50 kilometers away from where you stay, but they bring you to a place which is absolutely out of the world, which is far away from the madding crowd, which soothes your soul and which actually rejuvenates you for the week ahead. The shimmering sun, the rippling waters, the green all around you, everything makes for a delightful concoction. So I travel to these lovely destinations on weekends, and do hit the subscribe button if you would like to know about these beautiful places which are so near yet so far away from your home, not far away from Bengaluru.
Chalo, 3 cheers for BBB. The meet and greet session is going on. As you can see, the veteran riders and the newbies of the group. And that's what the meet and greet session is going on. We have the veterans and the youngsters. See, I'm youngster. So there are generations. There are 3 generations that are actually meeting and greeting. Basically, we have people like me who are from Generation X. Then we have millennials and Generation Z. 3 generations. We are Gen X, no? Yeah. And a beautiful location. Yeah.
No, I am convinced to buy a bike, no doubt. But you're not buying it again. Responsible life choices. पहले गाड़ी लेना उसके बाद. Hey, wrong choice. Whoever gave you those things, dude. Not much I can do here.
Some friendly biking advice. What should be the first bike?
He's been handling parents. He's been handling parents.
Say whatever you like.
Italy! 3 cheers for BBB!
And on our way to the cafe, we had some pleasant, unexpected experience. We faced some lovely off-road trails and a water crossing, which was totally unexpected.
जाएगा तो क्या होगा? जूते के बारे में मत सोचो, चलो थोड़ा फर्स्ट गियर में थोड़ा सा एक्सेलरेशन रखना, कांस्टेंट. आ जाओ, कोई बात नहीं, आराम से. अरे नहीं, come on, easy. This is cakewalk for you. अरे यार, चलो थोड़ा एक्सेलरेशन रखो. हाँ, बस हो गया, lovely. So that's our citrus trail park, and that's the host of towers. So different groups, cars. I think it's a nice joint. You can plan a visit to this place alone
if not the dam. Time is at a premium, but amazing. So we have quite a natural habitat inside. You have the trees, the foliage, the gardens, beautiful. Let's have a look. Walking towards the cafe, and nice, isn't it? Such a beautiful nature walk. This alone calls for a trip. ये रात को भी चालू रहता है क्या?
I don't think so.
नहीं,
Evening तक रहना चाहिए.
इवनिंग में मजा आएगा.
Campfire कर सकते हैं.
Yeah, campfire, right? There you go. It says Citrus Trail, and that's the trail that leads to the restaurant. So when you're hungry, everything else is secondary to you. You know. So that's the entry.
Well planned.
So these are some of the plantations. You have coconut palms, you have some shrubs here. I don't know what they are. Put in the comment section if you know what these are. Some bushy kind of fruits, and of course it's farmed, I think. I'm sure it's edible. So these are the coconut palms. Lovely view, isn't it? This alone calls for a morning drive and a sumptuous breakfast. This reminds me of that's entrance from where we came, of the Citrus Trail Cafe. And so that's the entry to the Citrus Trail Cafe. As you can see, there's a small bridge, hanging bridge, and so it's a nice hanging restaurant kind of. Okay, and it's already quite crowded. This is where you put your helmets on. Hi.
Hello.
This is Minmoy, our admin, and those are our super bikers contemplating what is the next machine they should upgrade to. Yes.
Indian motorcycle.
Yeah, Indian.
Royal Enfield.
Yes. Indian wearing Royal Enfield jacket. Normally it's the other way around, but he prefers riding an Indian and wearing Royal Enfield. So there's a nice cafe over here, and it's a balcony kind of, and we have more balconies over here. You can go down also. I'm sure there's something underneath in the basement, and those are the balcony sitting areas. I'm sure they will be full already because these are the premium places. And that's a look inside the cafe. Very rustic, woody kind of look. So you can come here just for feeling the vibes of the place itself, if nothing else. And that's the whole view of the cafe. That is the gathering for the breakfast. Everything that ends with a sumptuous meal is supposed to be a happy ending, isn't it?